I have a bold assertion, which is Amazon is the death of independent e-commerce. And I'll tell you why I think that, and then I'll try to support that claim. Amazon is actively, and has been actively, stealing ideas from independent third-party sellers and creating its own products using that data. So to give an example, you sell these blue light blocking glasses, let's say, and you're a third-party seller. You list on Amazon. What Amazon's doing is it's paying attention to all the products that are selling inside of its ecosystem, and then it's looking at those products and saying like, oh gosh, these glasses sell really well. This is interesting, and I have 20 vendors. So I wonder which one performs the best, and of the ones that are performing the best, what features do they have? What terms do they have? What product types and designs and styles do they have? And you know what? I might as well just go manufacture my own blue light blocking glasses. And then all of a sudden, Amazon rolls out its own Amazon Basics, its Amazon brand of these blue light blocking glasses, and it starts to prioritize its glasses above yours, of course, and it's priced 1 penny cheaper, and it has every single feature that your glasses have. And by the way, this is documented. Amazon uses data from third-party sellers to develop its own products, Wall Street Journal investigation finds. Amazon uses the data from its sellers in order to develop its own private label goods. This is what's really interesting, too, is it's counter to Amazon's congressional testimony. And there are a ton of data points on Amazon stealing from third-party sellers. This one cites the Wall Street Journal article. This one cites another article, I think, from Reuters, where it's happening in India. This is also investigation by Reuters, uncover a treasure trove of documents from Amazon India, which appear to confirm these allegations. And this isn't just India, by the way. That's the Reuters report, but this is happening allegedly everywhere. And further, this is actually an independent issue, but to the same point. Amazon crushed startups by investing in them to steal proprietary information and then launched competitive products. How Amazon stole from its sellers to launch competitive products. And then here's the original Wall Street Journal article, which I'll make sure to link to in the description of this video, that talks about interviews with more than 20 former employees of Amazon's private label business, and documents reviewed by WSJ reveal that employees did just that, which is create Amazon products based off of what was selling from their third-party sellers. It's brilliant, but also evil. Very evil. So if you are currently selling on Amazon, you are now feeding, potentially, your biggest competitor, who is going to be able to annihilate you in every way, in terms of product acquisition, purchasing power, product quality, price, distribution, obviously. Amazon is going to be the death of independent e-commerce. And so I think what needs to happen is every single e-commerce store on the planet needs to begin, A, diversifying away from Amazon, and then B, moving off of Amazon immediately. Immediately. If we want to support independent e-commerce, you're no longer supporting independent stores when you're buying from Amazon. You need to buy directly from those stores. And you know what's so funny, too? The CEO of Shopify said something that I loved. He goes, Amazon is the empire. We are arming the rebels. And man, did that just become so freaking true. So if you're an independent e-commerce store, you need to move off of Amazon now. And the reason, here's why you're on Amazon. You're on Amazon for one primary reason, and then a collection of reasons on the prefaces. The primary reason is the traffic, obviously. And you probably already realized that, and if you haven't yet, just spend time thinking about it, because the fulfillment and logistics, all that's ancillary. You can get that anywhere else. You're on Amazon for the eyeballs, which is an axiomatic statement. And then there's some ease of use and the fact that you don't have to create your own website and, the fulfillment help and all those things. But Amazon is, it's expensive in terms of, storage costs, fulfillment costs, all those things. It's not, there are fulfillment houses that are more competitive than Amazon. You're there for the traffic. Which means, and this is, again, obscenely self-interested, you need to learn to drive your own traffic. That doesn't mean you have to work with an agency. It means you need to learn it yourself. And if you're on Shopify, by the way, I'm not a Shopify reseller. I'm not trying to pimp out Shopify for any other reason than it makes it easy. It makes running your e-commerce store easy. It makes driving traffic easy. It has a phenomenal integration with Google Ads. So for my Amazon sellers, get off of Amazon, move over to Shopify or an equivalent product if there's a reason for that, and learn to drive your own traffic. subvert Amazon, because they are going to gobble you right up. And for the rest of us that aren't necessarily Amazon sellers, start supporting brands where they are. Even if you find something on Amazon that you want to buy, oftentimes you can go find that brand's same product on their site and buy directly from them. And I'd encourage all of us, let's make it, we do this already, but in reverse, right? I go to Best Buy. Best Buy for me is just Amazon showroom, right? I go to Best Buy and I'm like, oh, this is cool. I really like this. I'm going to go buy this on Amazon. Even if it's the same price. Even it's because it just makes it easier, and it's, simpler, and it lands where I want it to land, and all that good stuff. We can start using Amazon as the conduit to the independent e-commerce stores that we want to buy from. So if you find something on Amazon that you like, bet money if you go to that person's site, it's probably the same amount, and there are sometimes additional, value opportunities, whatever, even if there aren't. Let's support the independent stores, because if we don't, we won't have them. And then you just have Amazon. This is Walmart all over again, y'all. Amazon is just Walmart in the sky, Walmart in the cloud, digital Walmart, crushing all of these independent retailers. And if you were in a community where that happened, it ended up being catastrophic. Because you used to have all these options, all these opportunities, and really quality stuff. Y'all remember that? Remember when we actually had? I sound so old right now. I'm such a crotchety old man. Remember when we actually had like good stuff, and you could go and you could get like nice quality things? That went away with Walmart. It will go away with Amazon. It's the death of independent retail, unless we stop it, and we have the power to do that. We can create a cult of personality. It's happened before, and it can happen again. You can influence the direction of these things. So, e-commerce store owners, get the F off of Amazon. They're legit evil. And for the rest of us, let's support store owners on their site. Even if you find them on Amazon, go elsewhere, because we need to stop this trend in its tracks. I hope you're on board with this. I hope we can start, pushing people in this direction. It takes 10% of the population to create a shift like this. They're called the influentials. There's a book on the topic that's really interesting. And to be influential, you don't have to be loud. As a matter of fact, you might be surprised at how influential you are, contextually speaking, inside of your community, wherever it is that you are. But you can be one of the people that helps catalyze this shift and catalyzes this movement. Let's get off of Amazon. Let's start supporting independent e-commerce stores for so many reasons. But if nothing else, at least your own self-interest, because the diversification of options is going to go away if you don't. So, thanks for watching as always. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know we actually know what we're doing. We shoot a video every single day, so if you want to be notified, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any input, don't hesitate to hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. We get very little human interaction. Thanks for supporting our channel, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.